What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Turbo. We may create a double bottom. We're sitting at 0.00422, down 1% on the day. Market cap 269 million. 24-hour volume 68 million. So as you can see, we came down in a W shape. So if we can hold this low, it does look like the bears are losing strength a little bit with this consolidation. Really what you want to see is price comes up and breaks that W high, and then you can see a nice breakout back up to these highs and possibly continuation. If we fail to do that and we roll over, then we're breaking the 78.6, which increases the likelihood you're going to come down. Let me pop over to the hourly chart. Going to come down and break that low, create a lower low, which would take you down towards the low 0.003 or into the 0.002 cent range. But the 50-minute chart is looking decent for at least a short-term bounce, with the RSI starting to creep back up. So if we are be able to break that resistance here at right around 0.044684, that's when you can see that nice push back up towards these highs at about 0.0048928. But if we fail to do so, we get rejected, we roll, and then we're losing the 78.6. You can still retrace deeper and see a bounce back to the upside. It is a possibility, but it does increase the chances of creating that lower low for our friend Turbo. That's what I'm looking at with this correction. Of course, we have that larger wave 3 target based off the Fibonacci. That will take you all the way up to 0.019, almost 0.02, knock off a zero for Turbo. But of course, that will take time. So that's what I'm looking at for Turbo. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, I haven't taken any trades this week, but I'm seeing a couple opportunities with ADA and a couple other coins, maybe a break and retest for ADA. But we'll see if I take a position. This is from last week. Not only crypto trades, but as well as Forex signals and daily crypto analysis. Completely for free with a sign up and deposit to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. You get 10% back on your fees on every single trade when you sign up through my link. Top of the comments, send me email after your first deposit. Can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. And I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, my daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups for crypto and Forex. All links down below. Smash up that like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.